Hello everybody, it's Mr. Odom, and we're going to work out these problems from section 6.5. Make sure you got all the goods, you got your stuff, your pencil, composition book, or notebook paper to take your notes, and a calculator. The learning target for this video is I can use the percent of change formulas to find the new amounts. So basically, we're going to use these formulas, and depending upon whether it's an increase or decrease, we need to figure out what n is, the new amounts. All right, so let's get started. Number 4, 8 meters increased, so that should tell us which formula we're going to use. It's the percent of increase formula, and it's increased by 25%. So we're starting here. So the 8 meters represents our original amount. Okay, so let's write the formula down. It's the new amount minus the original divided by the original. Okay, let's plug all this stuff in and figure out how to solve for n. So 25%, I need to write it as a decimal so I can do some math with it. And my new amount, I don't know what that is. I know my original amount is 8, and so I'll put that in the denominator as well. Now we go all the way back to chapter 3, and we have to solve this. So first thing I want to do is multiply both sides by 8. Okay, and that will cancel the 8 in the denominator over there. So I'm just left with n minus 8. And then in my calculator, 8 times 0.25 is 2. All right. Can I figure out what n is? Yes. I just add 8 here. I add 8 here. And the new amount equals 10. Okay. So my new amount equals 10. So 8 meters increased by 25% is 10 meters. Okay, let's look at number 6. So here, remember, this is my original amount. This is my percent, and now we're decreasing. So for number 6, I need to use the percent decrease formula. I have my original amount minus the new amount divided by the original. And 26%, 0.26, equals the original amount, which is 50, minus the new amount divided by 50. All right, so let's solve this one. Again, I start off the same way. I multiply both sides by whatever's in that denominator. Okay, so that it cancels on that side. And I have 50 minus n equals 50 times 0.26, which is 13. Let's subtract 50 from both sides. Subtract 50. And I have negative n equals 13 minus 50. I have to go all the way back to chapter 1, but that should be negative 37. Okay. So now what do I do? Well, I want n equals, not negative n. So I can multiply this side by negative 1, because that will make n positive. So negative n times negative 1 is just n. But I also have to multiply this side by negative 1. So negative 1 times negative 37 is 37. So 50 points decreased by 26% is 37 points. All right. So that's all you got to do. That's it. All right. See you guys soon. I'm out.